Hello guys, here's a 4-inch sliding angle grinder stand. It can do 4-inch, 4.5, 5-inch. This is the holding part. It does 40, 15, 30, 45 degrees. It has a quick release button. This is where you hold your grinder. Let me show you close. So when you're pulling, you just get to press this. You pull it front. So for here I've done 45 degrees. So when you get to clamp, it will automatically get to do the 45 on this side. This is where you do your grinder. So this is the length of where you get to slide it. It can get to cut this whole length because you can get to slide it. Just get to see. You see? Sorry. Yes. So that is how it looks like. Comes complete. So the only thing you get to do is work.
Think it's hard to turn your grinder into a rail slide saw? Nah, it's easy as hell. Just mount your grinder on this slide stand. Fits all 115 and 125 grinders, corded or cordless. Setup's stupid simple. Just tighten 2 screws and you're good. Now you're slicing wood flooring, lumber, steel pipe, all safe and solid. This beast cuts up to 8 inches wide, and you can even crank out perfect 45 degrees angle cuts. Compared to a regular chop saw, it's lighter, smaller, way easier to carry. So if you already got a grinder, don't blow big cash on a saw.